So hello everyone, welcome to your own channel Learn with Zooman. So today we are going to discuss about a very important levels of Nifty. Okay, lifetime levels is going to be there. So in case market is going to fall, so from which price the Nifty is going to take the reversal. Okay, we are going to have a look on that with the proof. So in history, in the past, how Nifty has reacted to that. Okay, so we are going to discuss according to that. So if you are interested, so you can be with us in the video. If you are not interested in investment, you can close the video and you can go ahead with your work. So you all know that in 1996 the Nifty was initiated. Okay, the Nifty indices was initiated. So you can see here that this was the movement or this was the trend of Nifty. Okay, so when this was broken, because this was the important resistance. Okay, so when this resistance was broken, there was a sharp rise. Okay, you can see here this was the sharp rise. Okay, so from the level of 2275 it went up to 6266. so when you're going to connect all the highs now, so you are getting one trend here. Okay, so you can see here that the market has crashed here. You can see here that in 2008 the market has given a very good crash and it has taken the support at which price? You can see at this trend line itself. Have you got it? Okay, and from the same level it has taken another run up. You can see here. Okay, you can see here that it has taken another run up here. Got it? So now you can see that it tried to break here, it cannot able to break. It tried to break here, it cannot able to break. This means that this is long term resistance. So when this resistance is going to be broken, it will become an important support and it will be a kind of impossible to break that support. Okay, so now you can see here that first time it tried, it cannot able to break. Second time it tried, it cannot able to break. The third time it tried, it broken, and now you can see here that. So when it has broken, it has given a sharp move. So from 6000 level it went up to 9000 level. Okay, so after reaching this level it has taken another support. So you can see that the long term trend, which was the resistance last time, it was considered as support here, and from the same level it has taken another run up. Have you got it? So now you can see that this is the resistance. So this is the high, this is the high, this is the high, this is the high, this is the high. So this all high is connecting to this trend line. Okay, so when the COVID fall was there, so you can see that at that time the Nifty was considered trading at the value of 12,524, and from there it has taken the fall till where? Till this trend line. So you can just see here. So the high of these three candles are considered as the support of the long term. Okay, so as far as Nifty is concerned, Nifty is breaking one important level and taking the support at that same level. Okay, so now you can see that it has broken this trend line at this month. So this is called as December 2020. Okay, so now you can see here that Nifty has made a high. Okay, Nifty has made a high of 18,720. Okay, so the first retracement it can take on this line. Have you got it? So suppose if the Nifty is taking some months, it can maximum crash up to nearly 15,200, and the more delay it will do, the less the correction is going to be happen. Have you got it? So see, if the Nifty is going to crash in 1 month itself, so it can go maximum till 14,750. If 2 months means, so this is the line at which Nifty is going to take the support. Have you got it? So when Nifty is going to take the support at this trend line, so you can make a note of this. So if the Nifty is going to come below 15,500 level in coming future, start accumulating all the good quality stock at that time, because you are not going to get this opportunity again. You can see here that whenever the Nifty is breaking this level, it is making a new high, it is taking the support here, and it is taking a sharp move. This is the history of Nifty. Okay, so this could be the life-changing opportunity. This could be the life-changing opportunity. So Nifty can maximum fall at this trend line. So whenever the Nifty is close to this trend line, we can take our bet and start accumulating the good quality stock. Okay, so this is what I was trying to say. So lot of people will be thinking whether we should sell all the portfolio stock. So if you don't want to take any risk, you can actually sell. Okay, so that's all I want to say here. And in case you like the video, please do let me know about your comments. And in case you didn't like the video, please give your feedbacks as well, so we can try to improve. Okay, so that's all for the day. Goodbye.